What's up everybody, Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors and GearAmerica, and as most of you know, I just got back from spending a week in Daytona Beach, Florida at Jeep Beach and saw some of the coolest customized Jeeps you have ever seen. And I'm talking about every single angle, whether it was a built, lifted, 44-inch mud bog tire Jeep or one with a 24-inch wheel with StreetGlow behind the wheels. I mean, everything from street Jeeps to off-road Jeeps and everything. And I've been actually looking at rock lights for my Jeep, but Venom JKU, which is Harris's Jeep, and I'll put a link down below to where you can see his Jeep, he talked to our boy Dillon at StreetGlow and ended up putting LED lights underneath the Jeep that act as rock lights and are super showy at night. So I talked to Dillon at Jeep Beach. He said, I got you. So he just sent out this giant box from StreetGlow. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. I haven't even looked inside yet. Be careful not to cut anything, but it is pretty heavy. So let's take a look, see what we got from StreetGlow. So these guys are awesome. They're all over the place in Daytona. He came down from New Jersey to hang out. All right, let's see. Bear with me, I'm gonna go off screen here because it looks like there's a ton of stuff in it. Whoa. All right, so I'm gonna pull all this out, set the box aside, and we'll see what we've, oh my goodness. Holy macaroni. Okay, there's lots of stuff here. So this is the LED Underglow Kit, and this is the Wild version. So you can get it in a few different setups, you know, from large to small. This is the biggest one. It's called Wild. So it comes with two 60-inch, two 36-inch, six 24-inch, two 12-inch, wire harness, wire kit, and all necessary installation hardware and instructions. Looks like you need a screwdriver and a screw gun with a Phillips head. Man, that's pretty easy. So this is what we've got. There are 6 of these 24-inch LED strips, which all have 3M tape on the back of it, plus it has provisions to screw them in. Got 6 24s, 36-inch, we've got 2 of those, 60-inch, we've got a pair of those, we've got 12-inch ones, and we've got the wheel well strips, which are 24-inch, and then this whole big bag of wiring, zip ties. So it's all set up, it's all very clearly marked. So you've got a ton of these LED strips. These are heavy duty LED strips, and they're gonna take impact. You're gonna be able to get them wet. They can get sandy, muddy, anything like that. So they're built to take abuse, which is awesome. StreetGlow also stands behind all of their stuff. If they have anything that has a major issue or anything like that, they'll get you hooked up. So don't worry about it. Put it on, enjoy the heck out of it. So, oh my gosh, this is like super overwhelming. I've got so much stuff here that's got to go on the Jeep. So this is just part 1 in this whole thing. I'm going to put a full install video together for you. We're going to get this beautiful green underglow on the BCO Adventure Jeep, or now affectionately known as GearAmerica Two, since I got the vinyl graphics put on it. So that's it. This is the StreetGlow Wild single color LED undercar kit, and it's in green, and it's going to be gorgeous. So stay tuned. There's more coming. There's going to be a full install video and all kinds of cool stuff at night. But I'm going to put some links down below so you can check out Harris's Jeep. He's got red and white under his, so you can really see what it looks like. We decided to go with green. I know everything on the Jeep is orange, and we were going to do an amber color, but my wife was saying, well, amber's just like a light. You know, that's not really a cool color. Let's do green. So Dillon agreed. He sent out the green. We're going to get it all put on there, so stay tuned. The install video is coming soon. That's it for now. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you're going to be notified when more cool stuff comes, like the install of this huge, gigantic, like 12-piece underglow kit from StreetGlow. So that's it for now. This is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.